What is going on, guys? We got our new Perrin auto parts here just delivered from UPS, so we'll go ahead and box it up and figure out what's going on. Honestly, I don't even know which one's shipped today. Let's see here. Okay, oil cap, simple enough. Yep, simple enough. Throw that back in there. What?
Not you. Hush.
Shut up. Quit.
Stay away.
Quit. Quit.
Hey.
Hey.
Come on, just unbox your daggone thing.
Yeah, I'm unboxing it. What world is this? Yo, it's pretty heavy though. That Perrin symbol though, that's nice.
Yeah, that's nice.
Oh, this is the radiator shroud. Oh, that's awesome. And then it came with the little license plate cover. Definitely putting that on. That is so sick. That is so sick. Can't wait to throw this on. Little foam piece for the radiator. I believe that's all. So, yep. I'll be putting this on the vehicle here shortly. Obviously, taking some videos of it too. So, leave a like and comment. Thank you.